Good morning to all. Northeast Ontario, Sunday, November the 5th, Eastern Standard Time now. The show is being recorded at 9:30 with a look at a double whammy low pressure system. In fact, we got two walls of air masses that are interfering with the Great Lakes. Believe it or not, it's a warm front stretching from Lake Michigan up towards the North Bay area, all the way down towards the state of Texas, with a wall of cooler air cutting right through from Manitoba through to the U.S. Midwest states, all the way as far back as Colorado. Warm air ahead of it with cool air behind it, and you know what happens in meteorology, warm and cold air do not get along together, and we're going to see that difference today right here, right now. In fact, pardon me, the warm front crossing through southern Ontario is producing lots of rain, strong gusty winds and thunderstorms. Hopefully you guys stay safe down there. We will share that warm air with +7 to +8 for today, and then tonight when this cold front comes on through and replaces the warm air, your +7 for Northeast Ontario will cool down easily to -10. We're going to rebound for 12 hours and cool right back down to where we were earlier this week with -10 once again. The big difference and the big story as well is air pressure. So the air pressure went up to 30.40 inches or 103 kilopascals with the high pressures that came in to give us the so-called 1 hour break of sunshine that we had a couple of days ago, to falling air pressure, 29.65 inches, I believe, or 29.70, which is 101 kilopascals, is the reading this morning, and it is continuing to drop all across Northeast Ontario. I'm going to put the radar picture into motion, and we're going to zoom in towards the area of Kapuskasing, Hearst, Smooth Rock Falls, because this is the active area of focus for this morning's show because of mixed precip. Snow and ice pellets mix at the Kapuskasing Airport since 7:50 this morning. A band of snow, still with mixed precip and light rain towards the Hearst area, but they are reporting light snow there. It's mostly south to west to northeast, and a big, large portion of this mixed precip is crossing right over Highway 11 from Cap through the Smooth Rock Falls, Moonbeam, even crossing over 655, and even slipping past for our neighbors in Cochrane, Ontario. This is the last 2 hours. It's a very fast-moving band, but a widespread band at that, with snow, poor visibility, skies partly obscured with the snow, and with the ice pellets falling as well. That's not going to help matters much either, unfortunately. Zooming into what's going on for all of our neighbors. So starting off with Kapuskasing here. Mixed precip here. There's a bit of a break near Moonbeam. Smooth Rock Falls, it picks up again. Driftwood over here, Highway 655. And if we zoom in towards Cochrane, the mixed precip crosses over 655, including Highway 11 right towards Cochrane. It even stretches all the way down to Nellie Lake. But if I look down further towards the southeast, Yurko Falls, you're in the clear, but it's overcast. Same with Timmins. Low overcast, 500-foot ceiling there. And the junction of 101 and Highway 11 near Matheson, you guys are in good shape over there as well. Pay attention quickly, though, because these arrows, again, this is warm front right here. This is what we're looking on the widespread map. This warm front sitting right over the northern neck of Highway 11, generating a nice warm southerly flow. Again, that's what's going to bring us our +7 degrees today. Bring this cold front into the picture, and you got a strong westerly wind coming over Lake Superior. So your +7 to +8 that we'll see across Northeast Ontario today will change rapidly tonight with this cold front coming through, and I wouldn't be surprised if we picked up a few centimeters of snow with poor visibility. -10 behind this cold front for tonight. So that's your unfortunate, messy outlook for what Mother Nature is unleashing on Northeast Ontario. I will leave you with the standard templates with the observations, the almanac, as well as the low level and the high level winds, just because it's fun facts for Northeast Ontario.